See, I feel sometimes we get lucky. I mean, if we try to execute the plans, like I said before, we wanted to put them on the back foot and win this game. So everyone was wanting to win, and when Steve Smith was batting, we had planned him to bowl in the stumps, and he just edged it on the leg side, down the leg. So kind of lucky that way, but yeah, I would appreciate that wicket. He's a top player, and to get him early in the innings while defending 302, I think it's a huge wicket. And like I said before, also that winning this game to carry the momentum into the T20 series and defending 302 will be a big boost, I think. See, important was to bowl our length consistently. If you see the series, Australian team has played their pull shots and cut shots a lot, and I just tried to keep them off those shots and make them play in the straighter lines, and it worked for me. See, I think team was selected long back, and since I'm not part of the T20 series, I wasn't thinking about it at all. But if you see that Team India has come on Australian soil to play some games, and we are looking it as a six match series instead, three ODIs and three T20s. So, like I said before, that if we win this game, which we did, it's going to be huge going into the T20 series, and from now on we can exploit the situations pretty well. The Australian conditions, I think boys are getting used to it, and T20 being one of the shortest formats, game can go here and there. मुझे लगता है सिलेक्शन तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मुझे मौका मिलता है टीम इंडिया को खेलने का, तो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैं गेम खेलूं और मैच जिताने की कोशिश करूं। तो मेरा माइंडसेट भी वही रहता है, जब मैं खेलता हूं तो मैच जीतने के लिए खेलता हूं, और ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं सोचता हूँ कि मुझे एक ही मैच मिल रहा है सीरीज में, या फिर मैं किसी इंजर्ड प्लेयर का रिप्लेसमेंट आया उस स्क्वाड में। ये सारी बातें माइंड में प्ले नहीं करती है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि एक बार आप ग्राउंड में जब जाते हो तो हर हर कोई प्लेयर के दिमाग में सिर्फ जीतना ही होता है, तो पूरा कंसंट्रेशन, पूरा फोकस गेम जीतने पे है। Definitely, it's a change of format, and different sort of cricket is being played in 50 overs. Uh, Game starts very fast, 10 overs of power play, then slows down in the middle. Then again, if you see batsmen try to attack in 35 to 40 overs, because after 40 overs, the field restrictions open up. You get one extra fielder outside the ring. So game goes up and down, but both are white ball formats. So as a bowler, I think executing the plans, if you execute your plans in any sort of format, it will be the key with. And whether you're playing bilateral or whether you're playing World Cup, it won't matter. You just go out there, give your best, execute your plans, and hope for the best performance. Yeah, he's good. He's done well in the IPL. He executed a lot of Yorkers in the IPL, if you see, and he came back pretty well in this game. That shows he's got a big character, and we need players like this who can play out there, who can keep coming back. In this form of cricket, like white ball form of cricket, you are going to get hit as a bowler, but what is important is you come back, you bowl again, develop that confidence and take it on from then there and there.